you're going to repeat after me. Pussy tight, pussy clean, pussy fresh. Your turn.
Pussy.
No. We need to hear the pussy. The poo. After me. Poo.
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 Poo. Okay, we're going to work on your high notes. So, pussy tight, poo. Pussy tight, pussy. Go on.
Pussy tight, pussy.
No. It's all coming from your throat right now. We need it to come from your stomach muscles, from your diaphragm. So when you do it, we need to feel tight. We need to feel like we're doing a sit-up almost, yeah? Pussy tight, pussy.
Pussy tight, pussy.
Better. Okay, but we need those arpeggios to feel more lyrical. So we're going to do a little exercise. We're going to go pussy, 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 pussy. Sing it with me. Pussy, 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 pussy. Pussy, 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 pussy. Pussy, 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 pussy. Now let's work on our rolled R's. The fresh. Let's hear it.
Fresh.
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 Okay, there we go. Let's just focus on the R for a second.